Hello friends, you are watching making of ring or tie of RCC column. Here's something important about this tie. What is tie? In a reinforced concrete column, the rings or ties are horizontal reinforcement bars placed around the vertical reinforcement bars of the column. These rings play a crucial role in ensuring the structural integrity and performance of the column. It has many functions. Number 1. Confinement of concrete. The rings confine the concrete core spatially under compressive loads. This increases the strength and ductility of the column, allowing it to bear higher loads and deform without sudden failure. Preventing buckling of longitudinal bars. The vertical reinforcement bars can buckle under compressive force, but rings provide lateral support, keeping the vertical bars in place and preventing buckling. Number 3. Shear resistance. The rings resist shear forces within the column, which can occur due to lateral loads such as wind or earthquakes. They distribute the shear forces more effectively throughout the column. Number 4. Enhancing ductility. Rings improve the column's ductility, making it more resilient during seismic events. This ensures that the column can withstand dynamic forces without collapsing suddenly. Maintains bar spacing. During the construction process, rings holds the longitudinal bars in their designed position, ensuring proper alignment and structural integrity. The spacing of the rings depend on factors such as column size, load-bearing requirements, and seismic design consideration. In earthquake-prone areas, closer spacing is typically required near the end of the column, which is potential plastic hinge zones. Spacing of column rings as suggested in Indian Standard Code of Practice 456/2000, the spacing of ties should not exceed the least of the following three. Number 1. 16 times the diameter of the smallest longitudinal bar. Number 2. The least lateral dimension of the column. And number 3. 300 mm. The least of these three should be considered, and diameter of ties should be at least 1/4 of the diameter of the largest longitudinal bar, but not less than 6 mm. Lateral ties must enclose all longitudinal bars in the section. As per Indian Standard Code of Practice 2502/1963, ties should be tightly anchored, typically by overlapping ends or hook bent at 135-degree angle with a minimum extension of 24 times the bar diameter. This ensures proper grip and prevents slippage. As per IS 13920-2016, in seismic zone 3, 4 and 5, the spacing of ties should be reduced to not more than 100 mm near the ends of the column, which is a confined zone. So you are watching that the column ring and vertical bars are being binded for the next custom.